Since website hacking and personal data theft has become more common in recent years, today we're going to show you guys how to make your site more secure. Anyone that owns or operates a website should be taking the steps to secure their website. Businesses that don't take the time to protect their visitors' information may see significant issues, garner unwanted attention, and even dilute customer trust. Which leads us to the questions, how do I begin making my site secure? The first step is to secure your site with an SSL certificate. SSL stands for Secure Socket Layer and is the standard security technology for establishing an encrypted link between a web server and a browser. This link ensures that all data that's passed through that web server and browser remains private. If you're not sure if your site already has an SSL, a good way to check is to look at your URL. Websites that are secure with an SSL certificate will read HTTPS, and ones do not read HTTP. And it's that simple. That extra S means that your site is more secure. If your website isn't secure, you can still obtain an SSL certificate. The first step is to determine what type of certificate you'll need and how many. You might need different SSL certificates if you host content on multiple platforms, such as separate domains or subdomains. Another key consideration is to look at the validity period of the certification. Most standard SSL certificates are available for 1 to 2 years by default, but if you're looking for longer term options, then look into more advanced certificates. Even if you already have an SSL, there are multiple things you can do to make your website more secure. Make sure you update any plugins, extensions, or apps that are on your site. Hackers look for vulnerabilities in older versions of plugins, so it's better to go ahead and update these than to make yourself an easy target. The next step to take is to use a CDN or a content delivery network. One trick that hackers use to take down websites is through a DDoS attack. A DDoS attack is when the hacker floods your server with traffic until it stops responding altogether. The hacker can then gain access to sensitive data that's normally stored in your CMS. A CDN will detect those traffic increases and scale up to handle it, preventing a DDoS attack from debilitating your site. Another easy way of protecting against cyber attacks is by utilizing a password manager, or at the very least having a secure password. A secure password will often have uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. With SSL and the other security measures that we mentioned today, you'll be able to protect your business and your visitors' information. Stay tuned for more videos on website security and contact Red Shark Digital to see what we can do for your business today.